Hey there! Are you constantly seeing the couldn't add fingerprint try again error on your Xiaomi phone? No worries at all. I'm here to walk you through step by step on how to fix this annoying issue quickly and easily. So, let's jump right into the solutions without any delay. First things first, make sure your fingerprint area is clean and free from any covers. Also, try adding the fingerprint as soon as the Add menu pops up. Solution 1. Check for hardware issues. Start by opening the Settings app. Then, tap on About Phone. Next, tap on Detailed Info and Specs. Scroll down a bit and locate kernel version. Tap on it several times until you enter CIT or Hardware Test mode. Scroll further and tap on Fingerprint Sensor Check. Check if it says Pass. Next, tap on Fingerprint Input Test to see if it works. If not, it might be best to send your device to the Xiaomi Service Center for repair. But before that, try the following solutions. Solution 2. Clear Fingerprint Test app's case and data. To do this, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi device. Then, scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, tap on Manage Apps. After that, tap the three-dot icon and select Show All Apps. In the search bar, type Finger. Tap on Fingerprint Test from the results. Now, hit Clear Data and then select Clear Cache from the pop-up. Tap OK. Next, tap Clear All Data and confirm with OK. If you see any other app related to fingerprint, clear their cache and data too. Finally, restart your mobile and check if the issue persists. Solution 3. Factory reset your device. For this one, open Settings again. Then, tap on About Phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Factory Reset. After that, select Erase All Data. Now, enter your password or PIN if prompted. Tap Next. Then, tap Factory Reset and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your device. Once done, the issue should be resolved. And there you have it. That's how you can troubleshoot the couldn't add fingerprint try again error on Xiaomi phones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching!